Have you ever wondered when you're seeing your newspaper, you must have observed four dots at the end of your newspaper. Let's get into today's video and understand about these dots. These dots were designed for a specific purpose. So to understand about these dots, you need to understand how the printing media works and how the digital media works. So the digital media like phones, laptops and computers, it works on a basic color called as RGB, which is red, green and blue. The video and the images which you see is based on the combination of the RGB colors. Whereas in the printing media, they work on a different color, which is cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. So it is called as CMYB. So to understand this, you need to understand how the printing machine works. So the printing machine has four different quadrants. So the first quadrant prints the paper with the cyan ink, and the same paper is moved to the second quadrant where the magenta ink will be imposed on the cyan paper, and it goes to the third quadrant where yellow ink will be imposed on the same paper, and finally it goes to the fourth quadrant where black ink will be pressed on the same paper. A newspaper flows through four quadrants and then it comes to the final output. Once the newspaper is out of the printing machine, it is not manually possible for a human to check the color composition of each and every pages in the newspaper. So that's why they print four dots at the end of the newspaper, which will be automatically monitored by a sensor, and it reports back to the printing owner that if there is any error in the composition of the ink. So this is a use case of having these four dots at the end of the newspaper, and that's your upskilling for today. I'll come back with another video tomorrow.